Hello, food lovers. Today, we're going to prepare a truly unique and traditional Iranian dish, dolma sarabi. This dish combines incredible flavors and textures that will surely amaze you. If you're ready to learn how to make one of the most delicious stuffed dishes, stay tuned and join me as we dive into the full recipe and pro tips that only the best chefs know. Quote, dolma sarabi is one of the traditional and authentic Iranian dishes that anyone who tastes it just once can't forget. This dish is not only popular for its unique flavor, but also for its interesting history. In the past, dolma sarabi was often prepared for special ceremonies and celebrations. Each region of Iran had its own version of this dish, with the ingredients inside the dolma changing based on local culture and taste. One interesting aspect of this dish is that using sarabi, stomach lining, in the dolma gives it a unique flavor, and it also has many health benefits. In fact, this dish is a symbol of Iranian culinary art, showcasing the perfect combination of flavors and ingredients in the best possible way. Important tip. Make sure to pierce a few small holes on the surface with a knife, as the rice will expand while cooking and could cause the dolme to burst. If you enjoyed learning about this delicious and unique dish, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want more traditional Iranian recipes, tips, and cooking secrets, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our tasty adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Quote.